Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a small demo of this incredible palm oil deep conditioner that I started using. And for this deep conditioner you're going to need just very few ingredients which you would typically have in your kitchen and amongst your hair things. These ingredients include palm oil, eggs, olive oil, coconut oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. So the dominant ingredient of this deep conditioner is palm oil, which is not just edible but also has great benefits for hair. This is red palm oil and it's very popular in Nigeria and is used to cook different types of food including soups and porridges. To prepare this deep conditioner, you're going to first of all shake up your palm oil. Make sure everything is mixed up and it's like this. You don't want the majority of your oil to be clustered at the bottom, which is how it typically appears if not shaken properly. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour my palm oil into this bowl. I'm using the equivalent of 5 to 6 tablespoonfuls of palm oil, and note that you're going to add other things to this deep conditioner, so you don't want to use too much oil, but also based on the quantity of hair you have and how long your hair is, you would know how much oil you're going to need to use. Next, I'm going to add some olive oil to this. I'm using the equivalent of 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls of olive oil, and then I'm going to include Jamaican black castor oil. This castor oil is from Sunny Isle and it's my staple castor oil, so I'm just going to include the equivalent of 2 tablespoonfuls. This is actually almost finished, so I might as well empty the whole thing in there. So after the black castor oil, I'm going to go ahead and add coconut oil. This is cold pressed coconut oil which I purchased from my local market, and I'm going to be adding the equivalent of 1 tablespoon into the mixture. And next I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together before I break 1 egg and add to the mixture. For my egg, I'm going to be using everything. For my deep conditioners, I typically use the entire egg. I don't separate the white from the yolk. I use everything. And sorry guys, I keep saying deep conditioner. This is actually a pre-poo. So I did not apply it after washing my hair, but before I washed my hair. Next up, go ahead and mix everything thoroughly together. You want to make sure the entire thing blends, and this is what your consistency should look like after you're done mixing it up. So I mixed this for over a minute, and this is how it ended up looking. Now onto the application of this. This is my hair about a week and a few days after my last wash. At this point it's really dry because we just have a sudden bout of harmattan that just came up out of nowhere. To apply my pre-poo, I'm going to part my hair into sections. When I apply pre-poos, I like to work in sections, and I like to part my hair instead of just freestyling my sections, so that I can have clean parts to prevent breakage and to prevent snags. So I'm simply going to go ahead and divide my hair into sections, and then I'll proceed to apply my pre-poo. Before you apply your pre-poo, you want to actually place a cloth around your neck because this is palm oil and actually tends to get messy. And then you want to grab a nylon or something to place on your lap before you place your bowl of oil, just to prevent getting the whole place messed up. So starting from the sections at the back, I started to apply the oil mixture to my hair. I did not wet my hair before applying this. The oil is actually super moisturizing, and so you won't need any water. Besides, adding water to this actually just increases the mess. I'm going to tell you guys a few benefits of palm oil and why I use it for my hair. Palm oil, besides being edible, is actually really rich in vitamin E, which promotes hair growth and also boosts hair follicles, resulting in stronger hair. So vitamin E does not only promote hair growth, but it also reduces the rate at which hair goes gray, and it also reduces hair loss. And with all of this comes the added benefit of stronger hair and just healthier hair. So palm oil, which is basically oil, contains saturated fats and lipids, which makes it the perfect moisturizer for dry hair. So if your hair is dry, if your hair is brittle, if you're experiencing a ton of breakage, simply go ahead and try this pre-poo. believe me, you're going to experience amazing results. For the other ingredients of this pre-poo, eggs are very rich in protein and therefore increase the strength of our hair, making our hair to grow better, and also they prevent hair loss. Eggs are also really good as a moisturizer and they add shine to hair, and I really like shiny hair, so I definitely always use eggs whenever I'm doing a pre-poo or just in my deep conditioners. Olive oil and the rest of the oils are good for shine, and they also contain vitamins and minerals which boost hair growth. So after applying this to my entire head, I went ahead to wrap my hair up with a plastic bag for heat, and then I let it sit for 20 minutes. And this is me 20 minutes after. You can see that the oil is already dripping down my face. The reason I put my hair into these bantu knots was to prevent my face from getting messed up. And now I'm simply going to undo the bantu knots, undo the twist, and just kind of let my full hair out. I'm going to quickly point out that another benefit of this mask, besides helping with hair growth, is that it actually helps define your hair, and it makes your hair really, really soft, and it just gives an overall nice and lovely feel to your hair once you're done. So I went ahead to do my typical wash day, and I've made a few adjustments to my hair care regimen, but I'll address that in another video. I went ahead to shampoo my hair. I just shampooed once using my Veet Gold Sulfate shampoo for a really nice cleanse. So after I shampooed my hair once, I went ahead to observe my hair to see how it felt, and this is what my hair is looking like here. You can see that the curls are defined. My hair type is 4B 4C, but it's dominantly 4B. I proceeded to condition my hair and just comb my hair out. And guys, I didn't do anything specific. Since I did a pre-poo, I did not do a deep conditioner, but I simply let the conditioner sit for about 10 minutes before I rinsed it off. So guys, if you're going to be attempting this pre-poo, first off, just look how clean the comb is. I literally had very little breakage, and I was very happy about that. If you're going to be attempting this as a pre-poo, I recommend that you do it once a week if you want to see results very, very fast. But you can do it about once in 2 weeks or once a month, depending on your schedule and how much time you have. So this is me tying my hair, and this is the amount of breakage that I got. Guys, when I say I was happy, I haven't gotten that little breakage in a long time. So this is me after rinsing off the conditioner. Guys, my hair was so soft. I was so impressed. And I actually forgot how good palm oil is, because it's been over a year since I last used a palm oil pre-poo or deep conditioner on my hair. So I was pretty impressed by this, and my hair was really, really soft. It was popping, the curls were defined, and it was feeling very, very moisturized, not to forget how shiny it looked. So basically this is about it for this video. After this, I simply went ahead to moisturize my hair using my whipped shea butter, and just the whipped shea butter. I didn't do anything much. So once again, this is the amount of breakage that I got after conditioning and combing my hair out. I got a little more after I moisturized, about the same quantity, but that was it. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one.